Today we will be drawing Tai Lung, the Kung Fu Panda series villain. So to get started, we will start with drawing 3 lines equal distance using the ruler. I'm using my ruler as the same measure as what it would be. Something like this. Once you draw the 3 lines, notice I actually drew 4 lines, not 3 lines, because this image is more wider than normally what I draw in the other videos. This once you draw the vertical lines, I will mark the horizontal separations, so I know the length of the height of the image also. So I distance them with the measure of my eraser. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 marked, and notice that number 4 comes right below the foot. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing over here on the right side too. Once that is done, we will get started with our drawing. The rest of the image is mostly based off of how much distance from the line where the center of the face we want to start drawing. So between 1 and 2, I'm trying to find the middle spot, and approximately the middle spot is where the nose of Tai Lung would come. So I would start from the nose, right? So draw the nose, which would be more like in a D shape. Once you have the nose drawn, then you draw the eyebrows and the eyes. So notice over there for the eyebrows, I have a specific design that I have to follow, because the eyes are not equally symmetrical, they are not symmetrically distributed, so it's a little bit squished on one side and the other side is open. So just make sure that you have that correctly lined up. Also notice that the top of the face is where the number 1 is. Try to make sure that the distance on the left side line and the width of the face is maintained. So make sure that that distance, that shape is to come in. The jaw comes out, almost touches the number 2, right? So you need to make sure that the jaw comes out till there. And the face has the mouth open, so even that needs to be shown. Once you draw that, the next part is to actually draw the spots on the snow leopard. Draw the ears first and then the spots. So for the spots, notice that there are 3 spots on the forehead, 3 main spots, and then around it some more. Completed eyebrows part. It's in a very specific shape. Notice the way I'm drawing the side spots too. Once that is done, to draw the inside of the mouth. See the tongue. teeth. Okay, and then the next part is to make sure that I have it right. Make sure that you have the lines drawn for reference. It's basically what I'm using. So to draw the arm, the shoulders and the arm part, and then try to take the measure a line right in between the 1 and 2 that I've marked, and that's basically what I'm using as reference for drawing the forearm and the shoulders. Notice that the punching arm of his, it's right on top of his eye height, and above his head is his clasped hand. It's right between the two lines, so I just can use that as the width of the hand. Shoulders is what can be seen there. So I'm using that reference of number 2, and above that is where the shoulders come in. Next, I'm going to take the measure of his chest area. For that, I'm taking the middle of 2 and 3, and I'm using that as my reference to draw the chest area. Notice the chest area is coming right in between those two vertical lines, and then besides it is the fingers. Belt area, that's what it shows. Okay, and then the leg, so feet is what I'm drawing next. Feet is a pretty round feet with fingers marking toes showing up there. Right above number 4, he wears his pants and the other feet shoes. We'll draw some spots. The leopard. If you want, you can draw some lines across his shoulders so that you know the spots come in line. They are not randomly organized. They are looking pretty synchronous, symmetric across. Next, I'm going to start drawing using my pen, the inking. Now, before I do this, I always make sure that my pencil markings are pretty clear. I know exactly where my pen is to go. With the dyes, I've got a clear black color showing up on the edges. Some of the black highlights showing up.